Hey guys, it's Weavin' Willow. This is Maddie here. I am going to show you a tutorial today on how to make this leaf applique. And we have two different sizes right here, two different colors that I've already done for you. I used a size G hook, also size 6, 4.25 millimeters. The yarn I'm using for this third one is actually going to be a medium size 4, which I believe is the suggested size I, but G makes it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to go with that. I use G for this one and this one. This is a sports weighted yarn, so it is more suitable for the size like H. G or H, smaller things, but this is going to be closer to the size that this comes out with. This is a heavier weighted medium yarn. So let's get started. Let's make our chain of 6. So start with yarn over. Make sure you have your scissors nearby. All right. So that's our starting chain. We're going to go ahead and put 6. Chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch into the very first one right here. Okay. I'm just kind of getting my fingers together, holding it where I want it. So we're going to start to work around this leaf in the center here, and we're going to start with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to work inside this circle, starting with a double crochet. So yarn over, go in the middle, yarn over again, pull out, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, we're going to do a total of 3 of those on this side, so 2 more double crochets. Okay, now these next two, what it is going to look like is just like a longer double crochet. It's a treble, and the fourth one, I mean, we'll just call it a quadruple, but this is what those look like. So you're going, instead of, so double crochet, you normally are just going to yarn over once before you go through. The treble, you yarn over twice, go through, yarn over, and yarn over again, go through 2, yarn over again, go through 2, yarn over again, go through those last 2, right? So instead of 2, like the double crochet has, this is going to be 3. So now this next one is actually going to be 4, so it's just one more. So 3 around your hook before you put it in the middle. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2, like that. You see that? All right, so now chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to start to work our way back around. So we're going back to this 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Total of 4. Next one, working back down, yarn over twice. This is our treble. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's 3 times. Now we'll do 3 double crochets. So just yarn over once. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to slip stitch into this first chain of this round right here. Slip stitch right in there. This is what you should have. All right, so now we're going to start working on the outside. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So now we're going to, this first double crochet right here, we're going to double crochet into it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet into that same stitch. 1, 2. Then we're going to chain 1 and go into this next double crochet right here, and you're just going to do a single crochet stitch, chain 1. This next double crochet, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, do you see the shape that we're starting to make right here on the sides of our leaf? Chain 1. You're going to single crochet in this next double at the top. Chain 1. Double crochet in this last one. In our weird quadruple crochet stitch, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1. Now we're coming back down here into this chain 3 at the top. We're going to start working this. So single crochet into that space, chain 1 and 2. Now we're going to do that treble crochet stitch. So yarn over 2 times, go in the middle, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, do another treble, pull through, pull through, pull through, chain 1, 2. Okay, we're just working back, doing the same thing, but now going back down the other side. So single stitch back, still in the same space. Okay, like that. Pull that out and show you. Okay, chain 1. Now going into the top of this double crochet stitch right here, we're doing a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, go down, single crochet stitch into the next, chain 1, double crochet into the next, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, down into a single crochet, chain 1, kind of creating these all these ridges, right? All right, so double crochet in our last double, in the top of our last double crochet from the previous round, chain 2, double crochet again in the same stitch. Now we got to do our chain 5 like we did over on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back in the middle and find a spot to slip stitch it in there. And then we're going to get our stem. That is going to be a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. To work our way back up and kind of give it like a little bit of a curl to it, we're going to do slip stitching starting in the third from the hook. So right here, so skip this one, go into this one. Slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, just all the way up. Slip. One more. All right, chain, this is how we're gonna finish this off. Chain one, cut yourself a nice long tail. Okay, get that out of the way, pull through. And then what I'm going to do is come up somewhere right here in the middle. Pull that tail through, what's on the other side. Flip my work, and we're gonna tie these two off together. Now you don't have to do autumn colors, you can do greens, yellows, reds. This just happened to be the colors I had on hand. You don't have to do a size G hook either. Just depends on what kind of, I would stick with like a G, an H, I, or J. If you are working with like very fine thread, you can, or yarn, you can, you know, of course go even smaller. But same pattern works for any size yarn with a corresponding hook. Okay, so now we have our falling autumn leaves. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you next time.